I just turned off 5 remotes with one button. Yeah, just one. And my brain went quiet for a second. And it was nice. Hello everyone, my name is Zino, and on this channel I cover the latest tech and smart home products. A big thanks to SofaBaton for sending me the X1S so I could test it out and share my honest thoughts with you. And yes, this video is sponsored, but just like always, you're going to get the real pros and cons. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect. Today, we're going on a little adventure with the SofaBaton X1S universal remote. Not a boring list, a real ride. Wins, fails, a couple of what moments. So let's go. So here's the challenge. Somebody, me, wanted a movie night with zero remote drama. But my TV, sound system, Evolution media player, Z2, projector screen all wanted their own special clickers. So I tried the X1S to tamp the mess. Then weird things happened. Then good things. Then I kind of smiled like a proud dad at a school play, and that's the story. So real quick, what even is this thing? The SofaBaton X1S is basically a universal remote, but smarter. It talks to your TV, projector, receiver, soundbar, streaming boxes, even some smart home stuff. IR, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, it juggles them all. The big deal is activities. Like instead of turning on each device one by one, you just press movie night and boom! TV on, receiver set, projector ready, lights dim, done. And here's the part people might not know. It's not just about power buttons, you can map buttons however you want. Share codes with the community if your device isn't listed. Even link it with Google Home or Alexa for voice control. It's more like a little hub for your whole setup than just a clicker. Honestly, I didn't know all the tricks myself until I start messing around. Alright, unboxing time. I cracked the box, first thoughts. Clean, hub, remote, cables, one wall brick, 2 IR blasters, a little booklet I promised not to read. And then I read it. The remote feels solid, not super heavy, and the scroll wheel has a little tiny click. I like it. The hub looks like a black hockey puck that went to college. And I'm already thinking, okay, this might live in my cabinet forever. Ports time. I flipped the hub, USB-C for power, 2 little jacks for the IR blasters. I'm like, wait, what's this? Oh, IR repeaters. You stick those near hidden devices, the hub blasts, the little eyes carry the signal deeper. Kind of like walkie-talkies for light. The remote itself, USB-C on the bottom. No charging dock here. Part of me likes not losing table space. I stare at the tiny button on the back of the hub. Pairing. Push it, blue light blinks. I nod like I meant to do that. Specs, but simple. The X1S handles IR, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stuff. Up to a lot of devices. I don't need the max number. I just need my living room to stop arguing with me. Activities are the big trick. One button does a bunch of things, like watch Evolution or Z2. Turns on TV, picks the right input, sets audio, and boom! Also, it works with voice helpers if you want that. I'm testing the basics first. I'm old school. I like buttons, I want it to be fast, I want it to work when my hands have pizza on them. That's the spec that matters. Setup. The journey begins. I open the SofaBaton app, make an account, hub is plugged in, I hold the little button, a blue light blinks, the app finds it, connects to the Wi-Fi, easy. Then, firmware update. Of course. I do it, somebody wanted a quick setup, but the hub said, hold on, I'm getting smarter. So I waited a bit and then we're good. Adding devices. I start with my Samsung TV. The app finds my brand and model. I hit power on test, the TV wakes up like it smelled popcorn. Nice. I try power off, it sleeps. Good. The XGIMI Horizon Ultra connects over Bluetooth. I dive into the settings and there's SofaBaton. I tap, pair, done. Then I try the power button, a quick tap turns it off, no holding, just a tap and it sleeps. I grin, my girlfriend rolls her eyes. Worth it. The projector screen is IR, but the brand? No clue. It's like it doesn't even exist online. So I go into the SofaBaton app, hit learn and grab the old remote. I point it at the hub, press the down button, beep, learned. Then I try up, learned, I tested, screen goes down, screen goes up, bam! works. Honestly, I thought it would be way harder, but nope, couple of clicks, screen's alive. Then I've got these smart lights. They work with Google Home. At first I'm like, okay, can I hook them straight to the X1S? Nope, doesn't connect direct. But wait, there's a trick. You open the Google Home account, add and link your SofaBaton account, and boom! Now the activities you made in the SofaBaton app are shown in Google Home. And from there, you can make automations or routines or whatever they call it nowadays. So yeah, you hit movie night and the screen drops, projector fires up, lights dim. Feels kind of fancy for something I hacked together in like 10 minutes. But honestly, I didn't just magically figure all this out. I found it in the guide and the video tutorials right inside the SofaBaton app. Like they actually thought this through. Every time I got stuck, I'd open the tutorial, follow along, and boom, fixed. Feels like they knew I'd be messing stuff up and built in little rescue ropes. Also, sharing code sets with the community is smart. If someone learns a new device, others can use it. Teamwork for couch potatoes, my people. Now things to think about. Learning mode isn't magic for every odd remote ever made. Most, yes. All, not yet. And if your setup needs fancy power sequences, you'll spend a few minutes tuning delays. It's not hard, but it's a little nerdy. Also, if you want a giant touchscreen remote, this is not it. This is a button-first remote with a small screen. I like that. You might not. And one more thing, I kinda wish they had real shortcut keys for apps. Like for instance, on my Revolution or Zido, you press a button and boom, it launches an app or it does a custom action. Here, I didn't really figure that part out yet. Maybe it's possible, maybe not. If it is, it's hiding from me. Now let's talk about price and where to get it. At the time of recording, I'm seeing the X1S at $200 on Amazon and SofaBaton's site. Links are in the description. Now would I pay $200 to end remote wars? For a simple TV and soundbar? Maybe overkill. But for a full setup, with receivers, projectors, streamers, game box? Yeah, that's less than one nice dinner out with friends these days. And this keeps paying you back every night you use it. So my final thoughts. I came in a little skeptical. I've tried one remote to rule them all stuff before. Some were clunky, some died after updates. This one surprised me. The hardware feels right, the app is friendly, activities work, the hub is strong, the little IR eyes saved me, the Bluetooth pairing for XJimmy was smooth. I had to tweak a few things, for sure. But after a few nights, I noticed something. I stopped explaining the system to guests. I stopped explaining it to myself. I just watched a movie, and that's the goal. Not to nerd out about remotes, to forget the remote even exists. The X1S got me pretty close to that. Now if you want it, links are below. The SofaBaton's product page, the price page, and the Amazon link. And if you grab one, tell me your setup in the comments. TV, soundbar, full home theater. Did it do the pass the wife test or the kids test? I want to know. Oh, and if this helped, tap like if you like honest tests with a little chaos. Hit subscribe, I post a lot. We figure things out together here.